Good morning, geometry guys. It's Mr. Jeffries coming back at you from third period. I know this is the favorite. Y'all, this is the one that everybody loves for me to record in. Don't forget hit like, subscribe, at the bell. We have a Rootin' Tootin' Wednesday starting off. I mean, today's lesson is going to be so easy. Y'all are just going to be blown away. I crap you not. So, anyways, for those that actually know what's going on, all that is funny. So, definition of parallelogram: it's quadrilateral, two pairs of parallel sides. All right. So the sum of the interior angles is 160. That's actually kind of important. Okay. Now, this line is parallel to this line, and then this line's parallel to this line. That's what those mean. Those little things that this right here means parallel. All right. So, bless you. All right. Now, and also the sum of the interior angles. So, if this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degrees. Okay. Now, right here it says opposite sides of the parallelogram are congruent. That means that this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. Trust me, there's a reason why you have 4 little items to mark this on, because I saw what it all, when we're done, you'll understand. When I saw this on one object, it's too much going on. Very difficult to know what is up. All right. So the next part, opposite angles. So this is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this. All right. So now it says consecutive angles are supplementary. This is what this means. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is 180. Angle 4 plus angle 3 is 180. Angle 3 plus angle 1 is 180. All right. So basically you can look at any two angles beside each other and they're supplementary. They're going to add up to 180. Okay? That's just it. Okay? Now these diagonals, if this diagonal, wow, good shot, Helen. So close. Ah, we'll take it. Hang on a second, because as soon as I draw this other one, you'll understand why those are marked as such. That one is better. Still not a straight line. All right, so now I did order something, so if y'all have extra stuff, that's probably my order from the canteen. Oh man, where's my oatmeal cream pie? Oh. No, that's fine. Yeah. Get that map. All right. So that's all our stuff. Now, if you can imagine, if you have all this marked on one figure, there's a lot going on. Okay? So we're going to do this thing where we look at it, we're going to assess the situation, then we're going to work the problem. Okay? Like, for instance, for all those that have gas as much as y'all do, let's assess the situation. You may need to take some type of, supplement to not be talking out of your butt so much. All right, so it says in the parallelogram shown, determine x, y, and z, then determine the lengths and size of the measure and the measures of angles. Okay. If I took the time to put this bold, capitalized, and in a bright color, it would probably be good to write that down. One variable at a time. Okay, too many students I've had over the past about 15 years. You see a problem like this, you think you have to solve this all at once. That is not doable. Okay? But what is doable is one at a time. So we're going to focus on x, just kind of like what we had with those triangles and stuff like that. So we know that this is congruent to this, right? Because that's one of our definitions we just had. So I can set it up like so. Equals 2x plus 3. Okay? So once I have that set up, bless you, I can start solving. So we have x minus 15 tree, add 15, excuse me, and x equals 18. So x is 18. That means that these two sides, 2 times 18 plus 3, well, this is 36 plus 3, 39. So this is 39, that's 39. So now we have one less thing to worry about. Okay? Usually one less thing is a good thing. Alright. Now we're looking for y. Well, we know this is congruent to this. Okay? Minus 3y, minus 3y. Oops. So 3 equals 33. Alright, so y equals 11. Well, that's what that is. Alright. And if I want to find this would be 6 times 11 plus 4, which is 66 plus 4, which is 70 degrees. So if this is 70, that's 70. Alright. And then our last one, z. Believe it or not, this is the easiest one. Because this is 70. What do we know about all these angles? What do we know that this plus this has to be? Awesome, 180. So this would be 180 minus 70. 110 degrees. Now, yes, there's a lot going on in that problem, but when you see your practice problem, you see how I tried to, divide it up and put some box. Trust me, y'all think that the those boxes to put answers in is just there to help me. I don't believe that. Well, it does, but I think it actually helps y'all organize what things should be done. Okay. All right. Is everybody good with example 1? Anybody need more time to write it down or start copying it for the first time? All right. Example 2. All right. Example 2. Determine A and B. Find the lengths of the diagonals. Okay. Well, we know that this is congruent to this. Wow, that was really loud. I did not mean for that to be that loud. Oh, yes. All right. And then we know that this is congruent to this. Okay. So here we have our two things set up. All right. I'm going to say A equals and then B equals. So, again, bold letters. See, we got the little asterisks. Okay. It says look for variable by itself. Okay. So, I'm looking for the variable by itself. Here it is. It says A is this. I'm going to plug this in. So this is B plus 2. All right. Well, this is 2b, or not 2b. 4 minus 8, b plus 10. All right, so I've distributed. After I plug this in, I've distributed. Now remember, I've got to combine like terms on both sides. Well, this is the only one. Okay, so distributed, combine like terms on both sides. Now, variables to the left. Constants to the right. All right, so B is 14. All right, that means that this right here, this would be 24. This is 24. All right, A is B plus 2. Well, that's 14 plus 2. So A would be 16. So this is 16 and this is 16. Okay. So, now, that's our lesson. Now, you have problems on the back, practice problems on the back that you're going to do in class. We're going to go over them. Okay. We have time, but that's the lesson for today. So, again, one thing at a time. Okay. Good. All right. So, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.